हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। अभी इंसान आप जानते ही हो हमें अब तो। आज हम जिस जगह पर हैं,
It's very hot.
आज हम जिस जगह पर हैं, ये जगह बहुत सारे लोगों को नहीं पता है। ये मस्जिद जामे के पीछे एक छोटा सा एरिया है जिसको हम कहते हैं कॉलोनियल ब्रिज। कॉलोनियल ब्रिज पे आने का मकसद ये था कि आपको बता सकें कि मलेशिया की हिस्ट्री में, इस कल्चर में एक बहुत बड़ा पार्ट ब्रिटिश कॉलोनीज़ का रहा है। जब ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी इंडिया की तरफ आई थी तो उन्होंने अपनी कॉलोनीज़ इंडिया से बाहर भी बनाई थी, जिनमें से एक मलेशिया, फिलीपींस और बहुत सारी कंट्रीज़ इसका प्रूफ है। तो
Yes.
आज हम यहाँ पे इस हेरिटेज को दिखाने आए हैं जो कि ब्रिटिश कॉलोनी की हेरिटेज एक्चुअली है। यहाँ पे
Yep.
मलेशिया में उनकी बनाई हुई बिल्डिंग्स हैं जिनको हम बहुत ही ग्लिम्स में आपको दिखाएंगे। बहुत लंबा
Still
टाइम
we have a peace in this particular portion, right?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम आपको दिखा सकते हैं, लेकिन पैंडमिक की वजह से बिल्डिंग्स को अंदर से ओपन नहीं कर रखा। आप टेक्सटाइल, जैसे टेक्सटाइल म्यूज़ियम है, यहाँ पे टेक्सटाइल म्यूज़ियम नहीं जा सकते आप। आर्ट गैलरी है, आर्ट गैलरी नहीं जा सकते। दातारन मर्देका जा सकते हैं। दातारन मर्देका इज़ अ फ्रीडम स्क्वायर। वो पहली फ्रीडम जो अंग्रेज़ों से मिली थी एक्चुअली।
Do you think we should speak in English?
Yeah, I can speak in English. Yes. So
Yeah, for English
Dataran Merdeka, yes, for sure.
This is for you guys.
For Dataran Merdeka means the freedom square, and the freedom square is the place where they held in 1940s. The conference
good in
on
history,
on
so I
table,
don't know.
or there was a round table. We showed that in our video of National Museum.
Oh yeah.
And then the
I was
colonials,
there.
and then the, yes, obviously you were there. You were not noticing that point. So what was that? That they showed they had saved the memory of those people who actually signed the freedom of Malaysia. So that was the point. So this is the place where Malaysia got freedom first time, just on the right hand of our hand.
Really?
Of our side, yes. The Dataran Merdeka is our right hand
so
side.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the place, colonial place, which was the walking bridge over the river. Let me show you a little bit glimpse of river here. As you can see, hold on a second, guys. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah, see, this is the river, and this is Avi, and behind him there is a river, which I'm trying to show you.
But it's so hot actually.
Yeah, this river has a lot of sides, but this side is like people can walk here, people can go around, roam around, and if you see the whole view, Abhishek, come with me. And if you can see the whole view, this place is full with national buildings.
Okay.
So guys, ये वो जगह है, ये वो ब्रिज है, कॉलोनियल ब्रिज, जिसके सराउंडिंग में सारी हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग हैं। और इतना ही नहीं बल्कि मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि मस्जिद जामे, जिसको हिंदी में जामिया मस्जिद, in English we call it the proper mosque, the appropriate mosque.
Really?
Yes, it's like the term only, but actually
Guys,
they
if
call
you're
it
not
mosque.
sure, please Google it. Huh?
Yeah, it's
Because I'm
like
not
Masjid
sure.
Jame is like the proper mosque. So if we translate it into English, it's the proper mosque. But actually, every mosque is a proper mosque. But this is just a term. So this place, this whole place is surrounded with heritage buildings like Masjid Jame. And this is the what are you doing with me?
I forgot. We should go that side actually. We're going that side. So then I forgot that we should turn back.
Yeah, there is
Yeah.
a law building. There is a law building. Okay, and there is a textile building. Then there is like that's a textile museum. But you can see also. Abhishek, can you see? Show
No,
them?
I don't want to show them.
You don't want to show them.
Wait, let me show them.
If you see the view, please have a look on the view. That the old heritage building with two new styles of buildings. Yeah. See
Where
all
is his
the-
finger?
Yeah.
That's
See,
his
old
that's
building.
his finger.
Okay, and all the new buildings here in surroundings, if you check, see. So what they did not demolish the old building. They recreate around the buildings, which is a very good thing from Malaysian government. Not only that, they created this space for peace and moments. How do I explain it? If you see a little bit down here with us, hold on.
With us?
Yeah, if you see with us, if you have a look with us, see, so there is a parking area, sitting area, the park. You can sit here, you can come
you
here.
consider
you can
as
sit
still
here.
as a
It's
park.
park, but not exactly a park. You can come
Nanani
over.
Park.
Yeah, whatever park. The Riverside Park actually.
Riverside Park.
Riverside
That's a
Park
perfect,
is
I think.
more
Yeah.
appropriate word. Then we have
There's
some
some
buildings over there.
chair over there. We can
Yeah.
have a look. We can see. You can
People
relax.
actually play here. You know, people play sometimes cricket in evening.
You can go
Right
and
now
get
the
the
government
pictures. People, some girls they
Taking
were taking
photos,
pictures
videos.
in different pose. You know, so
Yeah.
so when you're coming to Malaysia, please consider this.
Please consider this place as a moment of peace.
Yeah, that's why we
During
have
your
considered this video
Video
moment
with
of
the name.
peace.
Yeah, moment.
So let's go and explore
Heritage
more.
and moment of peace.
Yep.
All these buildings were offices before. Now they stop and they make them some other things just to heritage this area.
Those guys.
And you can see that there is a map
Before
for this area.
it was public government offices.
Yeah.
But
used
now-
to.
now- but now-
they all are in Putrajaya.
Oh, okay. So Putrajaya is another state of Malaysia,
Yeah.
and we are in KL.
So this building is another heritage building.
Yep.
So if you have a look here, see. Abhishek, would you like to please show here?
I don't want to show anything.
Come on. See, old post office, textile museum, Bhumi
Wait,
complex.
guys, if you want to go to Colonial Walk,
Yeah.
go turn right.
Yeah.
So.
Signature of all British colonies. They always have a clock on the tower. In India, in an old fort court, and then the British colonial building, I forgot its name. In
Why you
Malaysia,
forget
this is
the name?
I,
Go
I
and-
forgot the colonial building name. I remember there is a colonial building in old Delhi also.
Hold this one. Basically the Merdeka Square. You can see the old High Court. Old High Court, son?
Yeah, old High Court.
Yeah. Okay,
So this is the way Malaysia is, and this is the way people like to have fun here. In a simple way, in simplicity of life, people do not forget to watch and grab the things and grab the moments of peace and happiness in their life. I talk a lot, but I really want to show you guys one more time that how it feels to be connected to nature and to your heritage. Why? Because when we talk about heritage, heritage is something that represents where do you belong to, what are your tails, your boundaries. The tower is, the water is still working there. I'm not sure how good it's working, but it's working. See, a very small one. So think also that Dataran underground is a place you can go walk inside these buildings. People come here to have a look around many things, and I am one of them. I always enjoy to be here. I always enjoy to have a look around. I want to show you something, a childhood memory. Hey. Yeah. It's like a childhood memory. Sorry guys. Have you remembered the bubbles? Excuse me. Hello. Can you make some bubble? See, the ma'am is making bubbles here, and obviously, you know, childhood memory. Everybody love it. Yeah, and you guys are opening the shop, Buka Kedai Sini, Buka Kedai Sini. Ah, nice lah. Wow, this is the big one. Can I try? Can I try this one? Oh, oh, awesome. See guys, I love it. I love it. And this is the local shop. They are opening the temporary shop here for Puasa. That's so pretty amazing. And see, this is a big bubble balloons. I really love it. I really love it. Guys, terima kasih. Selamat Ramadan to everyone. Happy Ramadan to everyone. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay. Okay, terima kasih. Hey. This is the Textile Museum of Malaysia. We have here other things also, like this is the museum, like see. ये प्रेसिडेंट्स रूम है, पहले कभी ओल्ड प्रेसिडेंट्स रूम है यहाँ पे, और ये एक और हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग है यहाँ पे. इसके पीछे कुआलालंपुर आर्ट गैलरी है. सो इट्स लाइक यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है दिखाना है, तो आपको जो आप यहाँ पे आएँ तो आप एक साथ देख सकते हैं. उसके लिए आपको घूमना फिरना नहीं पड़ेगा, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू यू नो वरी. देन आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दिस रोड. This road directly go to the National Mosque of Malaysia, and this is one of the most beautiful how to say mosques in Malaysia, and very like the making, the building construction is very classical and very, how do I explain it, very different than others. See again, this is the entrance which is closed nowadays for Textile Museum. You can see here, this is the whole way to go in Textile Museum. I know today's video is not so big, but we will try to make it even more nicer and more better, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and make like find it informative. And there is a tune I haven't seen. Here it is, like the butterflies. See, these are tunes famous in Malaysia a lot, and today they are. Thank you so much for your time today. I hope you find it informative.
Next
Have a
6:30 time is now.
6:30 is time now. Have a good day, guys. See you around. Take a deep breath. Take a deep silence.
Stay
Find a
safe.
moment of peace with
Us.
that. Yes. Bye, guys.
Take care.